What those guys do from the time they get out of the truck to the time they get back in that truck is what people rely on us for. But there's a lot behind that. It's the team that we assemble and everything that we do behind the scenes to field that team. That's what comes to bear in any customer's home on any given day.
With Healthy Basement Systems, it's more than just a job. We really want people to come in here thinking about how they can become their best selves.
It's really what it comes down to. Challenging myself to be the best for the people that I get to be in service to in the office and with the homeowners.
We don't see each other just as fellow employees. We kind of look at each other as family.
We genuinely care about each other, and we're extending that to our customers.
I love it here. I think it's one of the best work environments I've ever been in. Anyone that I go to will be willing to help me, and everyone's just super supportive.
I want the people to want to be here. I want them to be happy coming to work. I want them to feel like they've gotten all the tools and all the training and all the support they need in order to be successful in their jobs. And if we do that and they feel that way, they're going to go out and take care of our customers.
I like to help people. I like to help the customers. That makes me feel happy and then keep me going.
This is the first time in my career that I actually felt trusted. They want you to succeed here.
Some people come here and they've never had a job where people invested in them. They've never had a job where people believed in them. And we do that. Everybody has different abilities, but we're going to bring out the best in people.
We care here. This is my community. I live here. And when I answer the phone, I want someone to feel confident that they've called the right place.
Consistently great service to our customers. Getting it right, not just on the pipes and pumps and putting things together and installing things, but the care we take in a home.
You're really helping homeowners, and that's what drives me, knowing that I have my teammates to support me in helping those homeowners.
Integrity for us is doing the right thing, even though nobody's watching. And if we do that, everything else kind of takes care of itself.
It makes it very easy for us to then take that into the field and show that we care for our customers.
However, I think what takes it to the next level is the systems and processes that Larry Janesky developed.
Larry Janesky, that's the big boss right there.
Everybody who works at Healthy Basement Systems has got Larry's signature on their shirts, on their backs, on the trucks, and that means a lot to us.
Larry started Basement Systems in 1987, and he literally wrote the book on foundation repair and waterproofing.
In the very, very beginning, there was no off-the-shelf products that we could use to get the results that we wanted to provide for homeowners, so we had to invent them, and that's what I did. I set out inventing, one innovation at a time, and today we have 32 patents on things that we provide to customers every day.
No one else on Long Island has access to our products or our methods.
So for Basement Systems, Long Island, we're the shop.
But it's the products and it's the people who know why they're there, how to do it, and why to do it. And when you put those together, we can be a contractor that the homeowner can rely on and that we can be very proud of.
It makes it a lot easier for us, when we have the best products out there and the best installers putting them in.
Our customers know that they're going to be taken care of no matter what. Healthy Basement Systems will be here on Long Island serving the community and our customers forever.
When I started here 20 years ago and I met with Larry, he expressed to me that we're here for the long haul and I'm not going anywhere. Here it is 21 years later and he's still here, supporting everybody. He is a man of his word.
The people are the heart and the soul of any company. And it's an amazing honor and privilege at this point to work with the people that we work with. And we're just going to continue to build our team and help more people.